Mhm. I can't believe I'm doing this. So, hey guys, this is UT. Yeah, I've been meaning to do this for a couple of days now, and but I guess it's my first video of my YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope to become someone's childhood one day. So the TV's running in the background, and there's rain in the background. I hope you guys could hear me. Um, so I'm just so really nervous right now. Here it's 11:39 p.m. here in Leicester. Here, well, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Right?